was. Let's pray to 0. So let's go. Wah! It popped up with some stuff. Hips, corpse, Deborah's, decals, and that's. What should we do? Oh, I have an idea. One screen. Hey guys, I finally have $3 million. Let's go. And I have to buy an acid vat for $1 million. There we go, I bought an acid vat. Even I have to buy a copy for that. For that will cost $500,000. Oops. Why? And then let's go back to Hope. So now I bite and add vat of acid. So what happens if we take my money off? But I want to be $2 million, and now we got $1.5 million. So I'm gonna get $1.45 million. There we go. So let's go to chemical flask. Say test tube. Sectional test tube. And measuring flask. So now let's close it. There we go. So now we're just gonna put no volume and throw the melon in there. A melon is still okay. And he almost can't wake up. But he is getting rich here. But let's try metal rod. There's some things that I don't need. That yellow chemical plate, red chemical plate, and green chemical plate. Let's try reactor flask, sectional test tube, article flask, measuring flask, and sectional test tube. And cactus. So now let's close it. Go there. Well, he's still okay. we need to make a potion of rich. And the vat of acid is full. So we need to close it. Yay, I'm now rich. Let's get these. Oh, what? So, let's use these reservoirs. And let's see, the vat of acid is full again. So let's just... Whoa, that's a lot of money. Guys, there we go. Now I have $10 million. Yes, I have a lot of money. Let's see. Let's grow this acid. Whoops. What the heck is happening right now? Let's grow this acid vat very big. So yeah, this is go. Just fall like me. So we have all the money. So look at what the money that we have. Oh gosh, it looks good. $10 million. Save. I'm gonna put it in slow motion because it's very laggy. Wait, why is it? Then let's close this in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we forgot. You forgot about it. Go. Close this. I hope this will be great. Oh my god, that's a lot of money! I'm gonna go to it. I have $1 billion! Come on, what am I... Do I not rest in peace? My game just crashed. And now it's 1 digit of frames per second. My God. 58 out of 58. So let's progress Endless City. The house. The house. Whoops, you're supposed to be inside, man. What a beautiful day. What? What? Get this football out of here. Hold on. Wait, there is money? Hold on, I want that. No, it's mine. I have $10 million. What? $10 million? How could you even get that money? Just like that explosion of money. Now I have $1 billion. And now the monies are the size of a house. $1 billion? What? How could you even get that money with $1 billion? Watch out, the house is gonna open now. Of course I'm gonna open this door. No, don't do it. It's gonna be a bad thing about this. I have a bad feeling about this. What is going on? What is going on? $1 billion. Let's save. Woo! Guys? Is anyone here? Whoa! The monies are starting to transform. The monies are gonna transform into a big money. The 1 billion monies are starting to transform into a big money. I got a lot of money in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Ow. I want to get in that too. That tickles my feet. Whoa. I'm gonna grab this. So throw it. That tickles. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, an apple for me. No. That apple tastes delicious. That tickles. Whoa. What? What's happening to that money? Oh, what? Whoa, what? What the heck is happening? What? It's just teleporting. Whoa. Whoa, it goes on top higher. I've never seen that. Whoa, I'm flying. Whoa. And money, that makes me fly. And it takes me, yeah. Whoa. That's very good. And it's taking me to the moon. What? This is so good. Whoa, we're closer to the moon. So let's put in 1x. Whoa! Woohoo! My giant money just lost. I want my money. Copy. 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 Ah, yes! This is so good. Let's put the purple. Come on. What? That was so good. I've never seen that I go up to the space. I'm not going down. Whoa! Whoa! That was so good. Wait, what's happening to the gravity? I have $2 billion. Yes. I love when I have a lot of money. Whoa! I'm not gonna quit. Whoa! That makes me take me to the moon. Whoa! What? That makes me land up. Ah! No! No! Whoa! Ah! Wait. It makes me land up. What? 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 What is happening? What? I'm in the mood again. Hi guys, I landed with the rocket. Whoa! That was a lot. Come on guys, get away! than me. Because I'm a same number. Okay. Oh, what? What? What is that? That's a you're grounded for 1 year. Go to your room now. That's expected. Touching five, what's wrong with me? It's of the current year. I'm a square number. What?
Păi n-a vezi tu în YouTube, Looney Tunes?
No vi YouTube was.
What the fuck?
Get out of my way. No.
Oye, desperté y mi teléfono decía upload my video. Siéntate.
Whoa. Here's your barrier.
Che vedi, amicito?
Oh, we see the planet Earth, right, Thessalian? I know, right. And really is not gonna even know that we see the planet Mercury. Yeah, let's go. What? Wait, what's that up in the sky? 2025! Whoa! Ow. We're here. Well, please don't send my line back! Whoops. Whoops, I powered off one octave. Whoops, I powered off 1,000,000. You are a quadrillion, not a decillion. Okay, fine. Oh, quit. Don't quit! It's not paid. What do you mean it's not paid by that? Whoa, whoa! I look like a number book. One happy face. Whoa! Whoa! I look like I'm number block 2,025,000,000. Please don't 2025, don't. No. No. I will power off all of you. Whoops, I powered off infinity. Stop powering off! Yeah, stop powering off, number box. 2025? Yes, very down. What you got? Well, yeah, call 2018. Hello? What? Did you call 2018? And just stop turning off my I powered off. Please, I don't want myself to power up. You power up 40. That's it. I'm going to carry. That's it. That's it. Now you are in a lucky number. And now I'm going to send something back to you. 2025. Whoa! Oh. 2025? Are you okay? No, but you... hello, 25. Oh! Oh, God, I'm lucky. 2025. How dare you break number book 2025? I'm sorry, I'm just trying. I'm just trying to... 2025? Are you... I did! I did! Whoa! Whoa! I'm alive! Ah! Ah! What happened? What happened? What happened? Whoa! Oh. Hi, boy. Ah! Hey, come back there. It's Phineas when you wake up. I want to hide. I said I want to hide. I want to hide. What? He's gone forever. Five. What? 2005? I figured myself out. Hello, I am 2005, and I am a YouTube creator. What? YouTube 2005. I'm sorry, I didn't need to. Yo, that's it. No. Whoa. What? This means you get caked. What? No! Oh my God, I got caked! Ah! What the heck is wrong with you? Take that, Peppa Pig! It's not a Peppa Pig! Are you kidding me? Whoa, what? I already see the planet Earth right now. Get this body parts out of here. Stop talking like a Polish language. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, why there's 2024 there? Help me, someone they cheated me. No. Don't worry, I'll save you. You are a 2024 creator. Oh, man. Well, this means you have an account that you make your locksmith. Okay. What? Whoa! 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 We're falling together. Whoa! No, I missed you. No! 2005, what's wrong with you? Ow. Yet I quit. Don't quit! It's just my friend. No, don't. It's just my friend. No, don't quit. Pretty hard. Yes, let's see. 6 got me. Why is there a lot of chaos fixed difficulty? Well, Melon got numbered. What is the spirit? Cleaning later. Oh, my head. 2005, stop spinning. Ow, my head. No, please, don't comfort me. Don't comfort me. I'm 0-0. I'm not trying to comfort you. Oh, that hurt a lot. What? Wait. I'm trying to get bigger if I do not talk when I'm off. When I'm trying to talk when I'm off. Wow. I'm very big. No, I'm very big. Haha, you were taller than me. Ah! I'm back forever. Haha, now you gotta teach how to grow something. Okay. What Infinity? What are you doing? Oh no! What? Whoa! Infinity, stop ruining everything! What is keep your further. I stepped the Lego. Please don't remix this video. If 2005 this steps this Lego and you get Peter, this me. Don't you turn off the lights. I'm not turning off the lights. I kicked 81. Haha. Ow! What? You know, it's a moonquake. That's not a moonquake. Yes, it's a. What? What? 2005, are you okay? I guess so. Okay. Can I try to stab you? What? 2005 is glitching out. Whoa. 2005. Did you teleport? I guess so. Stop saying I guess so. I like a spawn. I'm never gonna see Lego Simmer again. Labernick Jr. Oh, I'm cracking the windows. I'm not a continental. Help me im Stug. Yes, I'm free. Yes, I'm free. Melano. Where? When you're talking weird. It's because I was. Yeah, fine. I quit. That's 728. Yeah. Haha, that tickles me when 300 shit. What? Oh. No. How did you get it? He could not die because he's infinity. Shut up, motherfucker! No! Whoa! He's stoned! Biblio tickle! Wait, no! I don't want to Biblio tickle! Ah! Infinity, what have you done? Stop raining everything! Ow! What was that? Whoa! 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 What? No! 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 I quit! No! No! I quit! Guys, wait for me! I can't. Guys, wait. Wait for me. He's so strong. Infinity, stop crushing me. What is happening? And I'm dead. Yeah, 570 stuck in here forever. And the Lego turned into a number. 2025. Whoa. Whoa, 2025 is already here. Whoa. And 2025 turned into a toy. Whoa. Whoa! 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 I'm feeling dizzy. Can you please get out of here? Whoa! 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 I finally see it. Whoa! 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 Get out of here right now! Whoa! Whoa! What are you doing, anyone? What? Whoa! Wait! Stop doing that all the time. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm feeling dizzy right now. Now you are very, very, very dizzy for a million days. For a million days. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm feeling very dizzy. Global warning! Ah! 10,000? No! 10,000! What are you doing this to me? No! Global warning! What? What? Where did 10,000 go? Yes, I'm here. Ow! You hit me! What? I glitch out. I saw Mars. 12. 2005. Sorry, 2005. Earth. Let's go back to planet Earth, guys. course, let's go to planet Earth because planet Moon was very good planet. So let's go to planet Earth. Hooray! Everything! Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Ah! Whoa! 3 didn't kick you one. Okay. Thanks for watching. So don't content about. Please copy my please copy my saves here. And I made the elevator. I can go in. Just wonder stop. Then I'm gonna go to floor 6. Let's go to floor 6. I think we're stuck forever. Woo! Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Not floor 7. Come on. There we go. Oh my god, I cannot grab my